That's the station. Train station. That's the station. Train station.
For how long?
Is this facade of a Swiss train station, and then right opposite you got a Subways, you got a McDonald's, and right around the corner is Burger King. There you go, folks. This is the only thing Swiss. I trust in the Swiss way that it doesn't get changed in any way, right? Oh, 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 oh. Love that. Lake of Lausanne, Canton. Swiss train station. Beauty. How much of Switzerland is left? That's the UNESCO World Heritage just there. Gestart. Burn old burn.
Nice waterhouse. Had good England was the second best yesterday.